Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
My mom is not feeling good. She don't have a voice, so I'm going to be doing her intro. Hey y'all, it's simply Nikki back with another video, and my mom is doing the Coca-Cola challenge.
No, not challenge, baby. Chugging.
Oh, chugging the Coca-Cola challenge.
No, it's not a challenge. Just
Okay,
chugging Coca-Cola.
Just chugging Coca-Cola.
I'm very nervous. I hope that y'all can hear me, okay? I thank my son for doing my intro, y'all, because I cannot even sing or nothing for y'all, okay? Y'all, I am so nervous, y'all. I am not feeling the best, y'all. Yes, I am sitting here in my bonnet, y'all, because your girl is not feeling the best. But I wanted to bring y'all this content, okay? And say shout out to all my new subscribers.
Shout out to her new subscribers.
Thank y'all for subscribing and joining the family. All right, y'all. I'm not going to hold y'all long. I'm not going to take forever, y'all. I grabbed whatever that was in my refrigerator, y'all. And all I had in my refrigerator is a Coke. So that's what I'll be chugging today, y'all. I'm so nervous. I've never chugged a soda before, ever in my life, okay? We're going to get straight into it. Cheers. Y'all, if my son is talking in the back, he talking for me. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to be talking. So he going to give like some commentaries at the back. Let me let y'all hear it. Oh, yeah, I'm so scared. Let me get a thumbnail. I'm going to use one of them. Okay, y'all. It is so cold, too. Maybe I shouldn't have had it cold, y'all. I don't know. If anybody got some chugging tips, leave it in the comments and let me know. Like, should I do it warm? I know I should have probably started off with, like, some juice or something, y'all. But this is what your girl have, okay? And I had this, y'all, inside the refrigerator for a minute because I was going to get my lick back with that Coke. But I never got my lick back, y'all, because then I ended up getting sick. So, y'all, I'm going to get straight into it, okay? In 3, make sure y'all
Like and subscribe.
and get them comments, okay? And hit that bell to be notified, all right? Y'all, cheers. Let me breathe. And y'all, I'm going to bring y'all another check-in video once I get my voice back because I'm pretty sure y'all will appreciate that better. But I'm just trying to be dedicated, okay, y'all? Sick and all, okay? I'm still here sitting in front of y'all. And I hope that this means something to y'all, okay? Because your girl is still being persistent. Bonnet and all, I'm here, okay? Cheers. You got any tips? Like what I should do?
So I got like some tips.
All right, let me know some.
So some tips is sometimes to like breathe, just in case if you sometimes drinking and chug.
Okay.
And when I was doing one of the challenges where you can't burp, I just try to quickly before my burp comes. I just quickly.
So just try to drink it fast and breathe. Yeah. Breathe first, then drink it fast. All right, y'all. I'm gonna try my some way. If y'all have another way that y'all think would be sufficient, comment down below and let your girl know. Once again, cheers. All right, y'all. I'm about to do it. I ain't going to be talking too much, y'all, because it's chugging. I'm just about to just take it down, okay? Chris Brown way. Take it down. Let's take it down. 3, 2, 1. Y'all, that was terrible.
Because it,
Oh my gosh, that was so terrible. Y'all, my eyes is tearing up. I didn't make it no way, y'all. I feel like I was about to explode. Oh my gosh. Take two. Oh my gosh. Oh, help me. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Woo! Y'all, this is strong. I think I'm gonna do juice the next time. Oh my gosh. Oh, help me. I should did water. What you saying, baby? Speak up.
that is Coke. Coke is always sometimes like strong. When you even burp, it just hurts, like like almost like burns. Because I like felt it many a times when I burp.
Oh, excuse me, y'all. Oh my gosh. Y'all, if I'm not saying excuse me as much, it's because your girl don't have a voice, okay? And the more I talk, the worse my voice gets. So I'm not even trying to talk too much, y'all. And by the way, y'all, I have been drinking some tea. I've been drinking some throat coat tea. I have been taking like medicine and stuff like that. But if y'all have any suggestions on my throat, drop it down in the comments, please. And please keep your girl up in your prayers, okay? Because y'all know I am a content creator and I use my voice to create content. So your girl need her voice. So just keep your girl in prayer if you know the words of prayer, okay? Excuse me. Let me try to get some closed mouth burps in, y'all, because I already failed at this. But I'm going to try it again. I'm going to try it with like some juice the next time. But let me get some closed mouth burps in for y'all, okay? Oh, help me. Oh. Y'all got a little bit more, okay? And I think I'm going to finish this whole soda for y'all tonight, okay? Because I know y'all been missing your girl burping. And I got y'all, okay? Got y'all. Oh, help me. Wow. Y'all got something else. I'm telling y'all, burping y'all with like no voice, it just sounds terrible. I hope y'all enjoyed the video because this sounds horrible to me. Like, if y'all are enjoying this video, thumbs it up. Get in the comments and tell me that y'all enjoyed this video, please, because y'all, to me, it just sounds bad, okay? But I didn't want to be away from y'all too long and not creating content. Oh, excuse me. I'm telling you. Comment down below and let me know if y'all ready for another burping compilation. So I can make that for y'all. Ooh. Ooh, excuse me. I also asked y'all, I don't know if it was a previous video, excuse me, on the video before that, but I asked y'all to comment below and let me know if y'all want me to start doing shout outs at the end of my videos. Nobody commented, but if y'all want me to start doing shout outs at the end of my video, let me know and I'll start doing shout outs for y'all. All right, y'all, got one more sip. Okay. Woo! Oh my gosh. I lied. I got one more sip now. And then your girl is dying. Excuse me. Y'all, this chugging was a fail. But I know I started off like a vet. And I'm a beginner. So, y'all, I'm definitely going to start off with, like, juices or water. You know what I'm saying? Let me try to chug something that's not carbonated first. And then I'll do the carbonation. Because this right here not going to work. Or either I'm going to have to do, like, a cheap soda or something like that. Like a Rock Creek. You know what I'm saying? Maybe like a Fanta, a fruity soda. But this Coke, if people is chugging Coke, like, you're not human. I'm convinced. Because this right here had my eyes watering, y'all. My nose was, like, burning. Oh, my gosh. A mess. All right, y'all. This is it for this video. Excuse me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. My son is going to do my outro because your girl cannot sing. So my baby's going to do my outro. Y'all, I think that my son did so good, y'all. Getting them comments, give him a hand clap, y'all. Tell him that he did a good job because he didn't have to do this. So I appreciate him for doing it. He said he was nervous, y'all, but I think that he did awesome on the intro. And I know he's going to do awesome on the outro, okay? You ready?
Yeah. Till we try again. Until we vibe again. Until I see y'all in another video. Bye.